How to add brand music in CapCut. In this video, I will show you how to do it step by step, and let's get started. Open your CapCut application, tap on New Project, select your desired video, then tap on Add. Here you can see the video on your timeline. To add brand music, you have to tap onto the audio. Then select brand music. As you can see in the screen, I have not any brand music yet, but for you guys there may be plenty to choose from. Select your brand music and tap on check. You can trim, fade in, fade out or adjust the volume to match your video. Sync the width you want in your video for a professional touch. Once you are happy with the edit, tap export, choose your resolution and save your video. And that's it. Now you know how to add brand music in CapCut. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have question or suggestion for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.